In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are enough number of people who are found saying that there is nobody to take care of me. Nobody is taking care of me. This is something very common word, quite a common word. There are enough number of people with this sort of sentence on their lips inside their brain, and they do keep repeating it. They do keep repeating it. They do keep refreshing it. That nobody is sincere with me. Nobody loves me. Nobody cares me. Maybe they are saying something very truthful according to them. But let me tell you, irrespective of what is the ground reality, irrespective of that, this is something very poisonous, very toxic, very much debilitating without exaggeration, crippling, paralyzing, that there is nobody to take care of me. No one is sincere with me. It is very much disempowering state of mind. It brings us into a state of mind which is very much disempowering. Hopelessness, helplessness. With the with this state of mind, somebody is digging one's own grave. Somebody who is found saying this thing is digging one's own grave. So wrong, so bad. I think so. That if at all you are caring about yourself, this means that it is far better than 10 people taking care of you, but you are not taking care of yourself. Why? Why? First of all, because they can't remain focused upon you 24 hours a day without the absence of even a single minute. It is not humanly possible to take care you of that much. It is not humanly possible. Suppose that there are 10 people who are taking care of you 24 hours a day without even a single minutes of absence from you. Still, they can't control your thoughts. Can they? They can't. And if your thoughts are not channelized well, controlled well, if your thoughts are disempowering, negative, irresponsible, this means that there is no use of the care 10 people are trying to provide to you. No use of that. Because you can do far more damage to yourself as compared to the good they are trying to do with you, as compared to the good 10 people combined are trying to do with you. So the real game depends upon the care of one person. And the person who is visible to us in the mirror, this person, and only this person. What to do? There is no use of the people taking care of you if at all you are not taking care of yourself. And if at all you are taking care of yourself, you are acting in quite a responsible, quite a sensible manner, and there is no one else taking care of you. It is far better, far better, far better than 10 people taking care of you, but you are not taking care of yourself. Somebody is taking care of you or not, it matters little. But whether you are taking care of yourself or not, it matters a lot. Because primarily we are responsible and only we ourselves are responsible for we ourselves. There is no substitute of taking care of ourselves. No substitute, no substitute, no substitute of taking care of yourself, of taking care of myself, taking care of ourselves. This is actually something which plays decisive role. This is something which plays decisive role. Whether our life is a good one or a bad one, constructed or destructed, spoiled or made wonderful, amazing. We are primarily responsible for we ourselves. Empowering state of mind means if a person tries to keep oneself in the empowering state of mind, she is not alone. She is not alone. She is helped, assisted by a dozen people. But if somebody having a dozen people but not taking care of oneself, it is like nobody is taking care of them. Nobody is taking care of him, her. There are enough number of cases in the world. There are enough number of cases in our own country, in our own society. There are some cases around us as well. There are certain cases around us as well where the people from a very humble background, where the people from a very humble background has developed a lot. There are enough number of cases around us, and there are certain cases around us as well who got a lot from their family, from their parents. They got a lot. They were cared a lot. They were pampered. But they could not take off. They could not succeed. They could not prosper. They spent a very bad practical life. They can only be considered as somebody who is a failure and a total failure. So, what is the difference between these two types of people? What made the difference between these two types of people? Take care of yourself, taking care of oneself. If you are taking care of yourself and you are satisfied with it, you are going to succeed, you are going to be happy, you are going to become a successful person. And if there are your total family, your parents, your siblings are taking care of you, but you are not taking care of yourself, this means that no one else will be able to bail you out, no one will be able to rescue you. You are going to be a failure. Thank you. Jazakallah.